In the previous video, I introduced you to a term called discontinuous functions. In the previous video, we have explored what continuous functions are and what limits are. So in this, we'll be considering discontinuous functions. So take a function h of x, and this is the graph for it, and this is what it looks like. Now, obviously this looks really terrifying, but it's not that bad. Now I want you to pause the video here and think to yourself, what is the difference between this limit over here and this limit over here? Okay, so this part, what this part is that it approaches two values at once, which is never good. So what we can do is we can do something which seems like cheating but really isn't. So we can take the limit as x approaches, let's assume this to be point B on the x-axis and this to be point C on the x-axis, as x approaches B of h of x. Now because we're approaching it from the left in the negative direction, we can write this as minus equals whatever the value is over here, so like L perhaps. And as you notice, if you take the limit as x approaches B from the positive direction of h of x and m, now if L and m are equal, then the function is said to be continuous, and we discussed that in an earlier video. But if they're not equal in this case, then it's not a continuous function, it's a discontinuous function. So it approaches multiple values at once, so the overall limit at the point doesn't exist. We will give you some problems on this for you to experiment with, and we'll see you in the next.